So welcome guys. This is a video showing you how the Binance platform is. Maybe you want to go into crypto, how you can start your crypto journey here. And the best platform or the best exchange platform you can use here is Binance, especially if you are from Ghana or any African country. I think the best platform you can use is the Binance. It is a trusted platform, very good, very easy to use, and very safe. Yeah, so the first thing you begin is if you have a laptop or a computer, you log into the Binance website, that is binance.com, or if you are using your mobile phone, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for Binance and download it. If you also want to, in the description of this video, the link will be put down. You can click on the link and use to register on Binance. So let's begin. And for me, I've already registered with the Binance process. So for you, when you open the website, you just go on to the sign up here. You click on sign up. You need to have your email. You put in your email or your phone number. You can sign up with your email, phone number, but I recommend you sign up with your email. Then you go through some questions, you fill in some forms. After that, you verify your email, and after you also verify your identification. So your identification, if you are in any country, Ghana, Nigeria, you need to have your identification card. If you also have a passport, you can use your passport to also verify your account. Because when you verify your account, it's open a lot of chances, or you can use it for many other things. Yeah, so let me log in into my account so we see how the interface looks like. Yeah, so I have logged in into my account. You can see my account here. The dashboard is here. My estimate balance, you can see it right here. You can click on it. You can see this 100 USDT. You can see some crypto. This is the market. Some crypto coins here. You can see here, and on this side we have assets. You see the assets overview, the spots, the margin, the features, the N, and a third-party wallet. For here, order, your spot order, your features order, your P2P. P2P order is maybe I'm buying crypto from someone who is also on Binance, who also has crypto, but also wants to sell it, and I also want to buy it. It's a P2P. So you can see your P2P here, your transaction history, your N history, and your fiat order, your convert history. Convert history is also maybe converting my USDT to a BTC or any other coin. You can see it here, payment history, referral, accounts, sub accounts, in settings. So you can see here, it's a buy crypto. You can click here if you want to buy crypto. And click here, then buy it. Just gonna see this, so I can input the amount I want to buy here, and it will tell me how much I will be receiving. So you say I'm buying a 500 cedis. I'll be getting 39.8 USDT, and maybe MTN mobile money P2P. I click on it, I will get what's the name, those who are selling their USDT will come in. I'll choose the option. I'll do the transaction through Momo. Then in some few minutes I'll receive my USDT. If I want to buy BTC to direct to, I can do it click on it on BTC, then you can see 500 giving 0.003387 BTC here. Yes, so any other coin, Ethereum, BNB, I can use it. If any coin you want to buy is not directly here, you can buy the USDT, then I'll you convert it into the crypto that you want to use. So you can see buy crypto here, and you can see markets. Click on markets here, you see all that type of crypto data here. See BTC current price right now is about $110,000. Ethereum is around 4,475. So this is the market. All the coins are listed here. You can see them right here. Yeah, you can see them right here. So if you want to trade too, you can click here. The spot trade, margin trade, P2P trade, DEX. I'll be talking about this in my next video. I'll give you a detailed explanation. We'll go through it one by one. We'll talk all about this. So this is just a video to show you how to start. So first, those who haven't registered, register on the platform and wait for my next videos that I'll be explaining it bit by bit for you to also understand how to use the Binance platform, how you can also earn with this Binance platform. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video and you really like it, subscribe to it so you don't miss the next video I'll be uploading explaining how we can earn through the Binance platform here. Thank you very much, and bye bye.